Welcome back to another video. I don't know which part in the video this is, probably midway, I think. So I've been snowshoeing for about 45 minutes out to the creek, which is right behind you. The whole plan was to do a snowshoe trek and then cook up some lunch beside the creek. The problem is, all along the edge of the creek, it just started flowing. It's thawed. Normally that's frozen completely. It's pretty tricky because along the edge is about 3 inches of ice, and anytime you get close to it, it breaks, goes into the creek. I'm not going to do that with snowshoes and a backpack on, so yeah, would have been nice to sit by the creek. It's about 3 degrees Celsius. It's officially spring, and I just wanted to get out. I've been here several times. We take our dogs back here, and the funny thing is, it's spring and tonight's forecast is 10 to 12 centimeters of snow. Welcome to Ontario. It's absolutely gorgeous out. I had to take my jacket off. I mean, beautiful day, but the clouds are rolling in. So we could get hit with some snow, but that's fine. You guys hear that? It's a rooster. There's a farm not too far down over this way. I heard something, but earlier, I'm sure it was a deer that took off. It startled me. There are coyotes, lots of coyotes in this whole surrounding area. There have been bear sightings back here too. So that's why I've got bear spray on my hip as well as my big hunting knife. Anyways, so that's what we're having for lunch. I know I keep looking behind me because I'm like, oh, what's coming up? Always pack your garbage. Here we go. Now we wait 10 to 12 minutes and then we eat. All right, it's time for a nature pee. I might actually get snowed on. So took up refuge underneath these beautiful trees right here, and this is our spot for lunch. The reason why I put the canister in this little mesh bag, it's not really to insulate it from the cold, which would help with the burning if it was extreme cold. It's so that the metal is not banging around against my metal cup, against any other metal in the bag when you're walking along. That's really the only reason why it's in that mesh bag. So. Oh, that's hot. Let's see if it's... Almost. We'll let it sit for a couple more minutes, but look at that. Nice and hearty. It's really tasty. It's the first time I've tried this one. Ooh. It's got some kick too. That's pretty good, guys. If you're interested, I'll put a link for this. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I should be. I've used enough of their products. All right. Let that sit a couple of more minutes. Chow down. Pack up and start heading back. Even though it's spring, officially spring, and it's just above, it's probably dropping to about the freezing mark now. Make sure you're geared up properly, because as soon as you stop and you're sweating, I've got a really light base layer, really light fleece, and then this, plus a shell if I needed it. I'm wearing some Gore-Tex pants with light long underwear, light pair of socks, so I'm good to go. Plus my my gloves. Yeah. Something's moving around in the bush over here. Sort of the same area where I'm pretty sure that it was a deer. Look at that goodness. Extra couple minutes made a difference. There's something moving back there. That's the way we're going. Maybe we'll see some deer on the way out. That'd be cool. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm gonna say the temperature's dropped about 2 or 3 degrees just in the time that I got here. Clouds rolled in, and that weather system is on its way. So, all right, there you go. Everything's cleaned up. Leave no trace. Grab my walking stick and make our way out of here. Gorgeous day. Back onto the snow. All right, guys, thanks for watching, hanging out. Nice little afternoon snowshoe trek down to the creek. A little bit of lunch before the snow rolls in. So happy spring. I know it doesn't look really deep, but if I didn't have snowshoes on, every other step is like stepping into a sinkhole. You know what I mean? So see you in the next. Bye. Seriously? It's not my first time with the stove. Oh my gosh. Blooper reel. What is going on here? Total rookie. Uh-oh. Come on now. Doesn't want to open.